Hello, dear hungry viewers. What a brilliant idea, a casserole with fish sticks. The preparation is super simple, and you only need a few ingredients. It tastes amazing, and kids will love it too. For this dish, we obviously need the star of the show, fish sticks. We also need leeks for the topping, grated cheese, and mashed potatoes. And optionally, but highly recommended, a bit of horseradish. Everyone has their own recipe for mashed potatoes. If you want to know more about that, I've made a video on it. You can see it briefly displayed here, and I'll link it at the end and in the info box. We'll stick with the mashed potatoes for now. Once it's all set, I recommend adding a bit of horseradish if you want that extra kick. It really brings everything together, so just mix it in well. Now, let's move on to the leeks. Clean them and slice them into thin rings. Then we'll blanch them briefly. That means we'll bring salted water to a boil and also add a bit of baking soda. This is a clever trick. Baking soda helps the leeks to remain lovely and vibrant green. Blanching usually involves plunging the veggies into ice water afterward. We can skip that step here. After about 2 minutes in the boiling water, the leeks are ready. Drain them in a sieve, or like I do, scoop them out with a slotted spoon. Now everything's prepped. Select a baking dish that fits just right, lightly grease it up, and then add in those delicious mashed potatoes. Spread it evenly and smooth it out to the edges with a spoon or a spatula. Next, let's gently add those wonderfully prepared leeks right on top, spreading them out evenly to enhance the overall flavor of the dish. And as we can see, the vibrant green is missing the main ingredient, the fish sticks, which I'll now quickly arrange on top. And since casseroles are usually baked, we'll sprinkle as much or as little grated cheese as you like over it. And that's it. Into the oven, it goes at 175 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes on convection. Depending on how golden you like the cheese, you can add an extra 2 to 3 minutes. And when you take it out, it looks irresistibly delicious. And trust me, it tastes just as good. I'm really excited about this dish, and I bet you'll love it too. I strongly recommend you give it a try yourself. Wishing you lots of fun preparing it, and enjoy your meal. Until next time, goodbye, bye-bye.